Hello and welcome to August 25th. TLRY, higher lows, possible support. Let's go take a look. There we are. So we had a nice move here, higher lows, and this is a higher low. Even though it was a red candle, it's still a higher low, which is an indication of that we are moving into the upside. Now, we do have a little bit of divergence here with the RSI going at 44 and the stochastic going up to 55. That's with the blue there, 55 matches the blue here. The black matches the black line here, and the value 44.56. But also notice too that the histogram down below is not encouraging as I would like. Excuse me, but it is increasing, and that's important to justify. So we have 1, 2, 3, the 10 EMA moving, and the lower lows, the higher lows, actually higher lows. We have 4 indicators out of 5 that we are still in a upward trend. And that's the point. Again, we have to get past that. We're not out of the woods yet. Like I said before, the last several videos, we are not out of this woods until we cross that 1605 and get an EPS stop, entry price stop, and then move on to get past 1960 so that we can then lock in the first ratio. And then this is a DTE trade going all the way to December 17, right here, December 17. So our exits are still our 5, and I'm coming to a decision. And again, this is still a work in progress, but once we get 10x like we did on KR, we should just take that profit at 10x. I mean, 10x is 10x, and going to DTE the next several should be going through a lot of pain, as we can see that from the first video that KR and PG. It takes a lot of discipline to hold on to this DTE kind of trading. And I have to admit, it is getting it is wearing on me a little bit, because our account is still down and behind the 8 ball against the SPY. And of course, that's because I mentioned before Yelp and AT&T not having any stops, therefore going down to the deepest levels before they even have a chance to turn around. To AT&T is at minus 83 in October, and we are already here on August 25th. We are 45 days away from this option to expire and get off the books. And well, we're going to take a hit, but I'm already, we already got this capital level, so it's acceptable. Back to TLRY. So how does that work with TLRY? Well, TLRY is using stops. So if the price does not continue and come down and does take us at 12.5, I'm willing to accept it. And you saw that in Friday's video, I was already ready for Monday to accept the $230 loss here in TLRY. And what happens on Monday? Boom. It's like, whoa, okay. I'm still in the game. I'm still alive. We're still kicking. I'll take it. So what is the anticipation? I think that we're going to be getting possibility into a little bit of a Doji Zone right here, because we have this support, which now becomes a new resistance. And this support is around 1392, right there, that low point there, 1392. And we closed at 1354. We opened at 1367, and the high got to 1382. So right there is the old support. Now it's become the new resistance, and it's a matter of seeing if we can get enough power to break past that resistance. We're going to call it here. Oh, there's a lower point here, 1388. So we're going to call that 1388, and we're at 1382 on the high. So and we did close at 1354. So we're 30 cents away from breaking above that line and then continue our march on to get to 1605. And it's back to the same statement. We got to wait it out. There's nothing else we can do. So with that said, we're going to conclude today's report for TLRY. Higher lows, possible support, and we'll see how tomorrow is going to bring and move us on. Thank you very much for stopping by and checking it out.